The coach of Jamaica's women's cricket team, Dennis Polai, is remaining hopeful that captain Stafanie Taylor will be available for the upcoming regional season, which starts next month. Taylor has not played since the ICC T20 World Cup semi-final against New Zealand on October 17 and missed the Windies tour to India in December because of injury. Windies coach Shane Dietz had revealed that the 33-year-old Jamaican underwent surgery for a foot injury and would be out for an extended period. Speaking to TVJ Sports, Polai gave an update on the all-rounder, who is back in training, and spoke to whether or not she'll be available for the regional championship.
Yes, it's possible. We've been doing some work over the past few weeks. I think she's growing in strength, and we have about 4 more weeks. I think she'll be ready by then.
Polai says having the former West Indies captain back for the tournament would be a big boost, given her influence on the team.
Once you have Stafanie, you have a good team. I mean, she's a good player. She's been a good player, and she has a lot of experience. And what she does is bring a lot more to the table in terms of not just for herself, but for the team.
And with just about a week to go before the team departs for the tournament, Polai says there are some key areas that need work.
The team leaves the 23rd, and for now we're focusing on game scenarios and skills. So we're known to struggle a bit against the spin, but we're working on that. So coming for the next competition, we're going to improve on that, learn how to score the spin some more, to take charge of the bowling. So we're going to focus on that part, play a few practice games also with outside teams, preferably males, so that to put more pressure on them and to challenge them some more.
Jamaica are defending champions for both the Cricket West Indies Women's T20 Blaze and the 50-over competition.